Alright, so what do you want to do? You want to park?
Yeah, is there any parking? If you see parking, let me know.
Slow down.
Hey everyone, we came to Torrey Pines State Park for a nice little nature walk.
To enjoy nature.
It's supposed to be sunny out, but it is not yet.
People are nature, right?
What's up?
You find people in nature.
Oh, there are all sorts of people here. People I'm sure you wouldn't mind looking at more than once.
All day long.
We have a long way to go.
What?
It's not that long. It's
Anderson, you're the devil.
it's not that bad. No, it's pretty nice.
Isn't it faster just to go that way?
What's that?
Isn't it faster just to go that way?
You wanna go climb up there? Suppose we could do that.
Why didn't we park here? Very close, see? Not supposed to go that back then.
Guess we're taking this random path. Why not?
The king of the world!
It's a little cubby. It's a little cubby hole to make love. You can just lay right here.
Come on, John. Lay on your back, my
Not what I signed up for.
Do you want to model it out,
One of your
Diaz,
French-
to see how it works?
Take me like one of your French girls.
Oh. Wait, what if we don't find Razor's Edge? Razor's Edge, is this it or what?
So scared I'm gonna fall.
You alright?
I'm clumsy as hell. Oh, this will take you down to the beach. That's cool.
Oh, that's probably where the
He's like, doing like.
Mitchell, I love you. Nina.
Sea bugs.
What are we looking at?
I'm not sure what he is, but he's got legs.
Oh, look at it. What's really fascinating about these rocks is the sedimentation layers. It shows that in this entire structure